Wow! Look at all these beautiful flowers, Jux. They're so pretty and tall. How did they get here?
See what we can grow. La la la, la la la. In the garden, bright and green. The prettiest place we've ever seen. We found a
Jux, where do flowers come from? Do they just appear? Or does something make them grow?
Grow from the soil below with sunshine, water, love, and care. So we'll see flowers everywhere. Growing, growing every day in the most magical way. Dig a little hole just right. Cover it up, not too tight. Pour some water, splash, splash, splash. Watch the droplets make a splash. Watch it grow, grow, grow from the soil below.
Goodbye, little seed. Sleep well in the soil. We'll take good care of you.
Every day in the most magical way. First the roots go down, 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 drinking water from the ground. Then a sprout pops up, hooray, getting taller every day. Leaves unfold to
Hi,
catch the
Maya.
sun.
We just planted a seed.
Plants
It's going to
so
grow into a
much
big,
fun.
beautiful
Watch the
flower.
bud begin to show. Now our flower's gonna glow. Wait and watch with patient eyes. Soon you'll see a big surprise. Petals open, colors bright. Yellow, red, and shining white. Look, it grew, 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 and we helped it through and through. With sunshine, water, love, and care. Now there's flowers everywhere. Growing, growing, what a sight. Nature's gift is pure delight. From a tiny
It's getting taller every day. Look how many leaves it has now. The stem is growing up toward the sun.
You know, with patience, love, and H2O. La la la, la la la. Watch our little garden grow. La la la, la la la. Now we know just how plants grow. La la la, la la la. Come and see what we can grow.
The bud is getting fatter, and I can see yellow inside. I think it's almost ready to open. It opened! Our flower bloomed. Jux, we grew this from a tiny seed. It's the most beautiful flower in the whole world.
From the soil below with sunshine, water, love, and care. So we'll see flowers everywhere. Growing, growing every day in the most magical way. Dig a little hole just right. Cover it up, not too tight. Pour some water, splash, splash, splash. Watch the droplets make a splash. Watch it grow, grow, grow from
We
the
did it
soil
together.
below.
We planted, watered, waited, and watched it grow. Growing plants is